class 8. In this video, I will discuss with you lesson 17, the national highways in general knowledge. My dear student, national highways can be observed as the lifeline of national economy because it is related to the road system, and through the national highways the economy of our country runs. My dear student, you may see it is the fastest mode of road transport and it connects the one part of our country to another part. That is why this particular lesson is very important for us. First of all, as written on the whiteboard, the national highways is owned by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Means it works under the central government, the Ministry of Central Government, that is the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. And you know, the construction of this particular national highways, and it is managed by the National Highway Authority of India. Means the construction or the national highway, and it managed by the National Highway Authority of India. My dear student, you know very well that India has 1,42,126 kilometer length of the national highway, and it constituted 2.7% of India's total road network. Means in the total road network, the national highways come near about 2.7% of the total road network of India. Another important facts about the national highways: the national highways connect capitals of the states as well as the capital of our country, and it also connects important places, ports, which are very important for the international trade, as well as the places which are important for the strategic important. So national highway is very important in the terms of economy, in the terms of safety, and in the terms of, you may see, culture. Here at present we find 228 highways in India. Means at present total national highways in India are 228. My dear student, I want to tell you about the historical importance of the national highway. National highways is also or are related with the Grand Trunk Road known as the GT Road. You know very well that there was a ruler, that name was Sher Shah Suri. Sher Shah Suri was the ruler of medieval India, and in his time the very important GT Road or Grand Trunk Road was constructed, and this particular Grand Trunk Road or the national highways are, you know, related with the GT Road constructed by the Sher Shah Suri. Now here I will discuss with you that no doubt there are 228 highways, but in these highways I will discuss with you the oldest, largest, or the longest, or the shortest highways of national highways of India. The oldest highways or national highway of India is National Highway 1, and it runs from Delhi to Atari, Punjab, border of the Pakistan. It is the oldest national highway of India. And the largest or the longest national highway of India is the National Highway 44, and it moved from, or it is constructed from Srinagar to Kanyakumari. This particular national highway is also known as the North-South Corridor. It is the largest and longest highway of India. And after then you may see the shortest highway or national highway of India is located in Kerala and also known as National Highway 47A, and it is constructed from Kochi city to Kochi port. It is very important in the terms of trade as well as for the terms of transport. As I have told to you that national highways play very important role or the lifeline of our economy, and it give a type of fast run for the road as well as for the economy of our country. Here I will discuss another point known as the Golden Quadrilateral. Golden Quadrilateral is also related with the National Highways network. And this particular Golden Quadrilateral is related or it connects the four important metropolitan city or center of our country from north to south and from east to west. As written on the whiteboard, Delhi located in north, Kolkata in east, Mumbai in west and Chennai in south. These four are the important metropolitan center or place of our country or cities of our country, and with the connection of these four places it connects our country culturally, economically, politically, and that is why this Golden Quadrilateral play very important role for the economy of our country. My dear student, these all are the facts about the national highway, and according to this particular discussion I will ask two questions to you. Question number 1, write short note on national highway. In this particular question you will write about these all things, means owned by, constructed or managed by, total length of, and at present how many highways. After then you have to write the oldest, largest and shortest national highways. And after then the second question, write in short about Golden Quadrilateral, and in this particular question you will write about this particular Golden Quadrilateral. You will write these all four important metropolitan cities including the importance of the Golden Quadrilateral. It connects India from its fourth direction. I hope you are writing the answer of this question, and I hope that you will give your attendance also on the comment box. Thank you very much.